What's going on, guys? Just got off work. I'm waiting for Blake to come pick me up because he is getting ready to buy a new car. He's getting a Hyundai Genesis. Well, at least that's what the plan is. We're gonna go check it out once he gets here, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Should be a pretty dope video, so I'll see you when Blake picks me up. All right, Jeremy picked us up. Fucking Instagram, follow him. And we got Balaki about to go pick up his new whip. He's got his stacks with him. Show us your stacks, Blake.
Hi.
Yeah, it looks like drug money in a bag. There it is, Hyundai Genesis. Just gotta go do some bank shit, you know, title and all that, but there it is. Blake, it's officially yours, bro. There it is. That's yours.
Mine.
That's what's up.
Oh yeah, bro.
Let's see this shit.
Would you like to hop in the back real quick? Start this. Pump you up.
Okay. Yeah, do the seats go back? Like, how does that?
There should be something somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure that's tricky. Yeah.
There it is. I'm chilling, dude. I got room up here, yeah.
Sure, dude. All right.
Yeah, bro.
All right.
I got short legs.
A bit shaky.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's all right though. That blowout valve, brother.
Hell yeah.
Shit sounds dope. How do you like it? Drives good?
Yeah.
Sound a little hesitant. That's all Blake's gonna be doing now. Mashing on the gas and letting off just to hear it. Alright guys, so after Blake bought his car, my camera died and I had to charge it. So it's charged and we're gonna wash it. And I might do like an edit thing. Blake's having trouble, so Sean is Sean, so.
Blake, have we even started washing your car yet?
No, dude. Does it look fucking washed? Does it look like it?
This is why you're brown.
This is why you're fucking.
This is why you're brown. This is why your skin is darker than mine.
We haven't washed it yet because my dude couldn't get his temporary because it wasn't laminated, so he didn't want to, you know, spray water on the paper.
His car's clean now.
Yeah.
That was probably a pretty trash edit, but you know, you make do with the things you have. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff, and we will see you next time. Later.